When electrons go through a resistor, the resistor gets hot. This is what happens in a filament lamp. The wire gets so hot it glows to give off light. In fact, most of the energy given to a filament lamp is wasted as heat energy. A compact fluorescent lamp, or CFL for short, wastes less energy than a filament lamp. It is more efficient. It gives out more light relative to the heat. You need to know how to use certain formulae. You will have to learn what the units are for each. In your exam, the formulae will either be on a formula sheet or in the question paper itself. The most determined students will memorize these formulae to save time in the exam. Power. This is the rate at which energy is transferred by an appliance. The formula is power equals energy divided by time. Power is measured in watts. Energy is measured in joules. And time is measured in seconds. There is also another formula for power. You can work out the power of a device by multiplying the potential difference of the supply and the current. Power equals potential difference times current, or power equals voltage times current. Potential difference is measured in volts, and current is measured in amps. Finally, higher tier students need to know that you can work out the energy transferred by an electrical supply using this equation. Energy equals potential difference multiplied by charge. Energy is measured in joules, potential difference in volts, and charge in coulombs. Let's have a practice question. A 2 kilowatt supply runs for 2 minutes. What is the energy supplied? First of all, write down the quantities. Kilowatts are the unit of power, and minutes are the units of time. Write these down. Now make sure you have them in the right units for the purpose of calculations. Power needs to be changed into watts, so 2 kilowatts becomes 2000 watts. Time needs to be in seconds, so 2 minutes becomes 120 seconds. Next, rearrange the formula. Energy equals power times time. 2000 watts multiplied by 120 seconds gives us 240,000 joules. This can be written down as 240 kilojoules.